In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a choices mod. So this is super cool, but as you can see, I have unlimited stuff in the game. So I'm going to show you guys how to get rich. This is super cool and it actually works. So if you guys play this game, keep watching and I'm going to show you guys how to get super rich with this method, guys, because this is the best method for this game. So let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to get this modded version with unlimited resources on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you want to do is go to this site, I believe it's on this site, and type in choices, and here it is, choices mod. So press on it, press this button, this will start downloading the mod. So let's just give it a second for it to download here. As you can see, I got a pretty good internet, so I don't think it's going to take that long to download, so we'll just give it a second here. So anyway, if you're a choices lover like myself, then you know that it's time to take matters into our own hands, because there's no way we'll ever be able to afford the game as it is. So let's go to the App Store and type in choices, and as you can see, no, it is quite expensive. So here's the game, and then we go to in-app purchases, and as you can see, the diamonds and everything and the keys are super expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. As you can see, I am so rich with this method, guys. Oh my gosh. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it because this is super cool and it totally works. So yeah, I mean, if you like this game, guys, you have got to give this a try. It is super cool, and as you can see, I'm rich as heck, bro. There's times in our life when we need to grab the mod and download it. This is so cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to get it out there so more people are educated about this stuff. Because everyone's like living in a world where they pay for stuff. Like, you can get everything for free right now. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. Get the word out, and peace out.